Hello friends, welcome to Bytech Growth channel. In this tutorial, we are going to teach about Python for Aptitude. Our first program is find the simple interest. Why Python? Python is used to solve the question and check the answer within seconds. So normally we can solve the simple interest question using our brain within minutes. Here Python is used to check the answer within the seconds. Before we are going to see the program, we need to know some important concepts for simple interest. First one is principal amount. What is principal amount? The money lent out for a chatting period is called principal amount. And next one is interest. Extra money paid for using others' money, it is called interest. And last one is simple interest. Extra money paid for our principal amount at some years, it is called simple interest. There are four formulas available in simple interest. They will ask four type of question. First one is find the simple interest and find the principal amount and find the rate of interest, and last one is find the number of years. Now we are going to see how to write the program. Okay friends, now we are going to find the solution and also check the solution for some sample question. Our first question is, if Suresh borrows as 36,000 from Magesh at the rate of interest is 6%, simple interest at the 4 years, how much interest Suresh has to pay along with the principal amount? They ask simple interest. The given data is, first one is principal amount is 36,000 and the rate of interest is 6, number of years is 4. Open your PyCharm, run the code, exit code. They ask simple interest, so I choose option first one. Enter. First one is enter the principal amount. Principal amount is 36,000 and rate of interest is 6. Number of years is 4. And then enter. We got simple interest 8,640. Okay, and the next question is, a sum of money at simple interest is 240 in 3 years. What is the principal amount for at the rate of interest is 4.5? They will ask principal amount. So given data is simple interest and number of years and rate of interest. So again open PyCharm, run the code. They will ask principal amount, choose option 2, enter. Enter simple interest amount is 240 and enter the rate of interest is 4.5. Number of years is 3. Then enter. The principal amount is 1,777 is a principal amount. And then again one more question is, a sum of money as 3,000 and as 540 interest for 3 years. Find the rate of interest. They ask for rate of interest. So given data is principal amount, simple interest and number of years. So open your code, run the code, and we choose rate of interest 3. Enter. Enter simple interest amount is 540 and principal amount is 3,000 and the number of years is 3. Our rate of interest is 6. So okay, next one, how much time will take it for an amount as 450 to yield as 81 as interest at 4.5% annum of simple interest? They ask number of years. The principal amount is 450. Simple interest after some years got 81. Interest is 4.5. Okay. Then again run the program. Fourth one. Enter the SI amount is 81. Simple interest amount is 81. Rate of interest is 4.5. Principal amount is, what is principal amount? 450. Then enter. They will take 4 years for get amount from 81 for interest. Okay, thank you friends. Do you like this video? Like and share and also subscribe.